What's going on YouTube? Rule Legends TV here, back with the FRT video, and this is mostly talking about court case coming up. Before we get into that, I just want to say appreciate everybody who's been commenting on the past couple videos, been watching the videos. I really appreciate the support we've been getting. I know one of the videos I made, I jumped the gun, and I do apologize. I jumped the gun a little bit, and I kind of did a little fear mongering. Y'all, a lot of y'all called me out on that, which is good. I understand that I messed up a fair bit on that one, and y'all did your job. Y'all called my shit out, and so I do appreciate y'all doing that. As of right now, the ATF isn't coming for us. At the time, the information I had, it made it sound like they were coming for us, but as of right now, we're in good shape. Triggers are still for sale, so if you are so inclined, you know where to find them. Uh, you know. So, but anyway, digress. Want to apologize for jumping the gun back in October and kind of doing a little fear mongering. It happens. Apologize. Hopefully, this video doesn't come across like that. But anyway, what I want to talk about is the Supreme Court case, the Bumpstock case that is being distributed to the Supreme Court for conference on Friday, tomorrow, on January 7th. The Supreme Court will. I'm not well. All right, let me clarify this right quick. I'm not entirely sure what the heck the Supreme Court's going to do with it. My understanding is they are going to set the conference and determine if they want to hear this case regarding bump stocks. It's quite possible that they do review this case. The GOA recently had a case that came up with a split ruling. So 8 judges said that bump stocks are machine guns, and 8 of them said that they're not. So we have split rulings. The Biden administration has said that the Supreme Court doesn't need to hear these cases because there hasn't been any difference in rulings. The GOA case has shown that is not the case. We do have split rulings. 16 judges couldn't come up with an answer, with a solution. So the Supreme Court really kind of has the balls in their court. They can say that we've got a serious issue here in the fact that nobody can come up with a solid answer one way or the other. So if the Supreme Court agrees to hear this case, it will be a pretty monumental case for Second Amendment issues, for things like for bump stocks, but not just bump stocks, for things like the rare breed FRT-15. So the gist of it is this, and you can go watch Armed Scholar's video that he just put out last night, I believe. He discusses this. He gets into the legal side of things a lot more. Like, he talks about the legal terms and the legal jargon, stuff that I have no idea about. I don't understand what all that stuff means. So please go check out Armed Scholar's video where he talks about the legal aspect of things. This is kind of an opinion based, with some facts, mixed in there, an opinion based approach to it. What's at stake? So if the Supreme Court comes back and they say, no, we're not going to hear this case, there's still, from my understanding, the GOA case for bump stocks that could be heard. But typically, from my understanding, is the Supreme Court doesn't do that. They don't have one case that they'll dismiss and then another case that's pretty much the exact same. They'll put one on hold while they deliberate on another, and when this one is resolved, it takes care of the other one. So the ramifications of this case are pretty much, I see it as this, and I don't think very many people are going to openly admit this, is that if the Supreme Court says that yes, the ATF has the ability term is Chevron deference. A law is ambiguous. The agency who oversees the enforcement of that law can make inferences on what the law meant because it is ambiguous. It's never been used in a criminal proceeding, and since owning a bump stock would make you a felon, and there's criminal aspects, criminality to the enforcement of it. So this has never been done before. So if the Supreme Court comes up and says, yeah, ATF, you're in the right, they're machine guns, you have Chevron deference for it. The way I see it is that there's nothing stopping the ATF from going, okay, well, bump stocks are a machine gun now. Rare breed FRT-15 is a machine gun now. The wide open triggers is a machine gun. The what is it? What's the other forced reset trigger out there? That's like $1,000 a trigger or whatever. But anyway, y'all probably know which one I'm talking about. That's a machine gun. Maybe a Geisley 2-stage trigger is a machine gun. I did a video about this a while back, and I'm gonna put it up here on the banner somewhere, how the FRT ruling could make every semi-auto a machine gun. It's kind of a roundabout way and almost a little conspiracy theorist, but let's be real here. The last year and a half should have shown us that nothing is a conspiracy theory, and the government is a lot slimier and trickier than we realized. If they come along and they say, yeah, bump stocks, machine guns, ATF, you did good, keep on doing what you're doing, I would fully anticipate a massive shitstorm of litigation coming down. You could bet that the pistol braces is going to be in there. Oh, well, short barrel rifles and shotguns. We reinterpreted it, and we actually meant to say this, that pistol braces are make it an SBR, and that, what is it that the Shockwaves have, the bird's head or bird's beak pistol grip. That makes it a short barrel shotgun. So there goes your Mossberg 590 Shockwaves and your TAC 14s or whatever else, little novelty shotguns are out there like that. Those all become SBRs and SBSs, overnight. And then, anything that's used to quell recoil or sound, that could be a suppressor. So there's all your compensators and muzzle brakes. You kind of see where this is kind of far-fetched, guys, but I don't put it past the ATF. Okay, I really am not going to put it past the ATF to do some of these things. Y'all let me know what y'all think in the comment section. Let me know, is this something that if the ATF wins, do you see this crap happening? Just a snowball effect of all kinds of stuff coming down, But fortunately, the good thing is that if the ATF loses, FRT-15 is safe, almost guaranteed safe. Bump stocks are back, that kind of thing. It would give us a good bit of our freedom back, kind of reel in and put the reins on the ATF, which I think is what we really need. Kind of my inference here, guys. Y'all let me know what you think. I'm trying to make this short. I'm NASCARing through it, so if I'm not making sense, let me know in the comment section down below. Tell me, hey, you're not making sense. Please, re-explain yourselves. Maybe I'll put in another video. I'll edit, whatever. I'll comment back, and maybe we can just try to get some discussion going. But these are just kind of my 2 cents. These are my thought processes. I'm not trying to fear monger. I'm not trying to bullshit y'all guys. This is my opinion, and these are my thoughts and kind of what I foresee could happen. Let me know what y'all think. Get the comment section going. Get that shit show of a comment section rolling. I always enjoy it when it's just a mashup of just all kinds of shit. I love it. But anyway, guys, I appreciate y'all watching. If you stuck around to the end, please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notifications, all that good stuff. I really appreciate it. Feel the algorithm, Al Gore's rhythm, feel the jet, all that shit. Let's get it rolling. I really appreciate y'all watching. That's it. Like, comment, subscribe. Y'all stay armed. Stay safe. Keep your head on a swivel. Other than doing what you want. Y'all be good, and we'll see you in the next one.